if I've talked about this before on my YouTube channel, but I am a summer kind of girl. I've noticed that during summertime I feel better with myself, I feel more beautiful, I feel more confident, hotter, obviously. And of course, or at least for me, I feel like there's nothing better than a summer glow. Like nothing compares to a sun-kissed look when you only have a little bit of makeup on, but you still feel very confident with yourself and your skin is glowy and tan. I just love it so much. And to be honest with you, I want to feel and look like this all year round. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you everything I do when I want to have this summer glow even during winter. I think a great way to start with making yourself look and feel summery is to have a nice tan. I usually use self-tanners. I also have a little bit of tan on right now. I have created a video with my self-tan routine at home. I will have it in the description box in case you want to check it out. But sometimes I want something quicker. I can always wait 8 to 10 hours for my tan to develop. Some other days I'm bored to do all this self-tan routine. Maybe I'm in a rush. And in general, sometimes I want an instant tan. So I found this Instant Tan body mist. It's the Body Sans Matte One Day Tan. This is a great alternative of self-tanning or sunbathing, even during summer. It dries very quickly, literally in 2 seconds. And one very important thing, it doesn't transfer onto your clothes, so that's amazing. Even if you wear white or bright colors, you don't have to worry about anything. So I'm using a mitt like this, and I spray a little bit on the mitt. Look how beautiful is the color. And then I just blend it into my skin. It doesn't smell bad, also it's very affordable. It gives you an instant tan, and in only a few seconds you look shiny and golden. This is literally my bestie, I take it everywhere with me. Okay, look at this color. I am obsessed. And for some extra glow, I have this body oil. It also gives you a little bit of a color, just a little bit on the same mitt that I use tan. And I just blend it here on my chest for extra glow. Okay, so now we're gonna move on with that sun-kissed, summery, glowy makeup look. So first things first, we're gonna prepare the skin. You know the drill, I've talked about this before. It's very important to prepare your skin before you put any makeup on. So take your moisturizing cream or your moisturizing spray, whatever works for you. I did my skincare routine off camera, and now the only thing I left is to put my sunscreen. You can't have a glowy makeup look without a glowy skin. During summertime, and more specific during my summer vacations, I don't usually wear foundation. I only use products that give me a little bit of a color and a glowy finish. The key for this summer makeup look is to look presentable and low effort, and let other people wonder if there's something on your skin or if you look that good naturally. So instead of foundation, I'm gonna use this lightweight liquid illuminator that gives your skin a refreshed glow and a beautiful highlight. So I'm gonna use this brush. I think it's called stippling brush. This brush gives you a very flawless, natural and airbrushed look. Look at this glow, guys. So next we're gonna move on with concealer. I will only use the tiniest amount of concealer. Sometimes I don't even use concealer, to be honest, because I feel like during summer I want to embrace my imperfections. Like we all have them, it's super normal. So I want to look very natural and I want to look beautiful just the way I am. So we'll only use concealer just under my eyes a little bit and around my nose and a little bit on my smile lines. Just the tiniest amount. I will take a brush. Actually, I feel like I will blend it with my ring finger so I can make it look even more natural. Okay, so next I'm gonna use my cream bronzer. I will start with my cheekbones. I think the forehead is the key if you want to look sun-kissed, because the sun is hitting you from above. So the areas that the sun is gonna hit is definitely the forehead and on top of your nose. For the first time on my YouTube channel, I want to contour my nose by following the shape of my nose, like I always do. I will just take a little bit of a color of my bronzer and put it on top of my nose, like here. So next we're gonna move on with liquid blush. Blush is the second most important product for this sun-kissed look that we're going for. So we'll take a little bit with my ring finger. And again, I will put it on top of my nose. And I will put a little bit on my forehead like this. So for my brows, I want them to look neat, but at the same time, I don't want to do too much. I will just use a clear brow gel. If you feel like you want to use a brow pencil, definitely fill your brows a little bit. But if you can keep them like this with just a clear brow gel, definitely go for it because they will look even more natural. And just like that, brows are done. So next I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna use one of the glitter eyeshadows. So if you don't have a glitter eyeshadow, you can easily use a highlighter or something. You can choose any kind of color you like. And I will give some glow on my eyelid. You can also use liquid eyeshadow, highlighter, like I said, like literally anything you have. So this next step is very optional. So I don't have natural freckles, but sometimes I want to create some fake ones because I think that they look really cute. And I also created some beauty marks here and there. So next we have powder. You know how much I don't like powder, but I will only use it to the areas that I don't want to shine. So we have the smile lines on my upper lip. I get sweaty sometimes on my upper lip during summer and it annoys me so much. A little bit under my eyes so I can set the concealer. And here, just because I had the concealer again. Okay guys, we're getting there. I will set my face with this setting spray. So for the lips, you can leave them like that. I put some lip balm on, but I personally like a good overline lip. So we'll use this lip liner. This color is very similar to the color of my natural lips, so it works really nice. So I overline my lips, but I don't leave any harsh lines. So I go over with my finger and blend it. And on top I will use this lip plumper. It's the new lip plumper by NYX, the Dark Plump. I have the shade Cherry Spice. It has a very beautiful natural color. Okay, and now I will finish my makeup with some mascara. This mascara is really good. I bought it recently and I'm really obsessed. So we'll only do the tiniest amount of mascara. I still want to keep this natural eye. Okay, so I will leave it like this. I don't want to put too much. Okay guys, and just like that we have the final result. Guys, I am obsessed with this makeup look. It looks sun-kissed, it looks low effort, it looks natural. To be honest, you can easily wear this makeup all year round, not only during summer, because it looks really cute. I love it. Write me in the comments below what you think about this makeup and let me know if you try it. So guys, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Thank you so much for watching if you come this far. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow me on other platforms. I will have them linked in the description box and I will hopefully see you to my next video.